Welcome to HP Tuner's Ford Gen 1 Coyote Training Part 1. In this training tutorial, we're going to take a look at installing our VCM editor and VCM scanner software onto our laptops so we can begin our training course. Let's jump in and take a look at how we can do the install process and get started with our training course.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be taking a look at how to download our VCM Suite, which is going to be including our VCM editor and VCM scanner software. Both softwares are needed in order to do the logging and the flashing process for our Gen 1 Coyote applications. So what we're going to do here is jump in. I'm on the front page of HP Tuner's website. We need to go onto their website in order to download the VCM Suite. We actually go here on the front page, we go into the download section. It's going to allow us to take a direct link right to where we download the software. Now we can see here we have a VCM Suite latest stable version. We also have a download VCM Suite Beta. The beta version is going to be a prototype software, so to speak. It is going to be including any new features or functions in the HP Tuner software. They actually update the software several times a day. It's because HP Tuner is on a wide variety of platforms, not just Ford. They're constantly putting out fixes or updates to the software. They test it first in the beta, and if it's stable, then they turn it into the stable version here. So the stable version is going to be several versions behind of the software. Now, I like to work with the beta software because on a lot of the platforms that I'm dealing with, not just Ford, I need to have the latest and greatest or any software features or fixes. So the beta is what I download. With your S197 Gen 1 Coyote, you can download the stable version here, and you're going to find what we're going to be looking at and covering in the training course will be completely fine using the stable version. You don't need to have the beta. I am going to download the beta because I like to work with this, again, because of all the platforms that I deal with. So I'm going to click on my icon right here, download VCM Suite. If you are going to be sticking with the stable version, just click on your icon right here. Once I click on this, it's going to give me a warning that this is beta software. It's not intended for the actual usage of flashing and tuning vehicles. They're just giving that as a general warning. I'm going to click OK here. I trust it because I use it quite frequently. Now I am on Windows 10, and we can see here at the very top, we're showing that the download window is showing me the status of downloading the executable file, or what they're calling a .msi file. This will allow us to auto download and install the VCM editor and the VCM scanner software. They're included within this suite, as we're finding as we download it one single packet. Let's let this complete the download, and then we'll go ahead and install it on our laptops to take a look at both different softwares and just understanding some very basic fundamentals of what each software is going to represent. All right, we can see right now that it's showing that the file has been completed in my downloads section or folder on my laptop. I can click open file. This will allow me to access this .ms file, which is the executable file, in order to install the software. I'm going to click up here, open file, and it is going to start to open the file for the installation. You can see here, welcome to the setup wizard for the VCM Suite Beta, and this is giving me the actual build number of the software. This constantly changes, so even within the same day, if you download the beta software again, you're likely to find an updated build because they're constantly changing things in the software. So I'm going to go here and click next, and I have to agree to the terms of service, a license agreement. I'll click the I accept box right here and click next. This is going to be showing me where it's installing the beta software into. So we can see here, C drive, program files, x86, HP Tuner's VCM Suite Beta. That's going to be the folder installs everything into on my laptop. I'm not going to change that location. That's fine for a default location. Let's click next here. Now it's going to allow us to go right to the install. So we'll click the install option, and it's going to wait to extract the files to install the VCM editor and scanner software. It's completed that process. Let's allow it the ability to install itself. So let's click yes right here, and it's going to allow it to start to do the installation. This process is pretty straightforward. It should take about 10 seconds there. I was going to say 10, 20 seconds, and it's already completed on my laptop. Now I'm going to click finish, and that completes the process for downloading the software. Now, if we close this out,
Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.